In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change your phone to vibrate only for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to set your phone to vibrate only on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sounds and vibration, and then from there what you want to do is hit sounds and vibration. And then from there what you want to do is look for vibrate at the top of the screen, and you can set the phone to vibrate, and this way any sounds or notifications will come in through vibrate only. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to set the phone to vibrate only for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.